What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. We're going to begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. Let's start at the very top in the middle, all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Along the top, let's add a small circle for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom area of the nose in black. Now the nose is going to sit on top of the muzzle, so let's move to the side of the nose. We're going to curl the cheeks coming down and then out toward the side. Let's round out the cheeks and pull that back in. Let's close off the bottom with the curves from the left side. We're going to come down the middle and then bend that up. And then we're going to shift the mouth over towards the right. Let's start right in the middle, bend the mouth going across and then up. And we'll add a bracket on the end. Now, just up above the nose, let's step up and add a curve, coming down and up for the brow. Now, on the ends, we're going to bend this up and then out towards the side. Let's round up the top of the eye, come down, and then bend that in on top of the cheek. Let's go to the center of the brow and draw a straight line going up. Now on either side of the nose, we're going to draw two ovals for the pupils. We're going to go all the way around and just tuck that up underneath the brow. Now I'm going to trace this oval along the inside, coming down and then back up. Let's add a highlight along the top with a small circle. And we'll fill the bottom in black. Let's go out to the cheeks. Just going to curve the head, going out and then up along the sides. Now we're going to add a fold along the top of the brow. So we're going to start on the outside of the eye. We're going to go up and then bend that down on the inside. And we'll line that up on the right, going up and then down. On the outside of the brow, let's step up and draw the ear. We'll go up and then bend that in. Bend the ear coming in and then down on top of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside, starting with the side, going up toward the top and then down. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve coming in and then up. Now I want to add that center spike in between the ears, but we're going to bend this over towards the right. So let's start on the inside left ear, bend this up, go across towards the right, and then out. Let's bend this in and then down on top of the right ear. Now let's draw the first set of spikes along the side of the head. Start from the side of the ear, bend this out, and then down. And then we'll add that point, going up and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add one more spike, starting from the top, then around, and then in. And we'll go up and then in underneath the cheek. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that patch in the center of the body. We'll start on the left side, underneath the head, we're going to draw an oval, go all the way around, and then bend that back up on the right side. Let's move out to the side, curve the body going around and in towards the hips. In the center, let's step all the way down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, move over towards the left and draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom of the leg. Go over towards the right, come down and out towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the leg. And come down and then up. Now we're going to go back up the hip and draw a straight angle line coming down towards the outside of the legs. Let's add the tail coming out from the left hip, comes down and out. And take that back in. Now you want to wrap the cuff around the legs. In the bottom corners we'll step up. We're going to add a bracket. Going around and then in on both sides. And we'll add the bottom of the cup. Stepping out, go all the way around, and just tuck that in on the inside. Let's go to the inside of the cup, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start from the left heel, then the foot coming down, and then out towards the side. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot, we're going to go up, and then bend that in towards the outside of the cup. Now I want to take this curve, step up and just trace this across towards the heel. Let's go up to the bottom of the cup and add that trim, coming in and then down on both sides. Step over and draw it again. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the arm stretched out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the body, bend the arm coming down, and then out towards the cup. And then we're going to layer the cuff on top of the arm, so we're going to step up, bend this in, and then down. Now I'm going to trace the bottom of the arm, just follow that same curve coming in and up towards the bottom. Let's round up the ends of the cuff, pulling it in like a bracket. And then close off the ends with another curve. Now from the top of the cup, we're going to curl around the thumb. We'll go out, come in, round up the thumb, and then bend it back out. And then from the bottom of the cup, we're going to curl around the pinky. We come down, go up toward the thumb, and then curl that back down. And then we're going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the bottom, go around, and then in behind the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Let's repeat that over on the right side. Now we're going to sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want to check out our other channels, I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.